Okay, so once again, good morning and welcome back to our class. And let's continue with this model verbs. So I hope that all students have joined so far. Okay, so we'll continue. So I will share the screen. All you people just let me know if it is visible.
Visible, sir.
Visible is
Okay, fine. Thank you. So we have done with can, and I will move toward the next slide. On next slide, you people are going to see could. So in fact, could is the past of can. Okay. So now people have to think about difference between can and could. So you can use can for showing ability. You can use could to showing ability, but now it is in past. So something that you were able to do. Okay. So this ability which is in past indicates that right now you are not going to do it. Okay, so something that you people was in position maybe in earlier days, in olden days you could do that, but right now you are not able to do this. Okay, for such things people use could. Okay, so let's begin with first use of could. So can also shows ability, could also shows ability. Difference is that can shows ability in the present. आता सध्या मी काय करू शकतो हे मी कॅननी सांगू शकतो, अँड मी काय करू शकायचो इट वॉज शोन इन दिस ability of past by could. Okay, so let's see example here. Just one minute. So the given example says I could play a guitar when I was a child. Okay, so in this example, you people need to understand that I could play. It shows in the past, kadi when I was child. So right now, am I able to play this guitar? No. Right now, at present, I could not play guitar. But when I was child, so it was in the past that it gives me an idea that something that I was able to do. मी काय करू शकत होतो हे सांगण्यासाठी you people can use it. Next, a similar possibility, but when again it is in the past. So a lot of crime could be prevented. Prevented थांबवलं जाऊ शकले असते गुन्हे, पण थांबले का नाही. ऑलरेडी क्राईम लॉट ऑफ क्राईम टू प्लेस घडलेले आहेत गुन्हे, पण ते थांबवले जाऊ शकले असते. सो फॉर दॅट इट इज पॉसिबिलिटी, but this possibility is in past because here what we people have used, we people have used the could, and that's why it is possibility in the past. Maybe for example one more example I would like to give here and you people can read it. I could get more marks in the last exam. So in fact, from this, what you understand? So how much marks I got? Whether I got more marks or less marks? I got less marks. पण मला जास्त मार्क्स मिळू शकले असते. So that shows this ability, but now it is in past. But right now I couldn't get, म्हणजे मला ते मिळाले नाही जास्त marks. Okay, so for talking something like this, you people can use such kind of past possibility. Okay, हे कळतंय का ability past मधली आणि ability possibility past मधली.
Sir.
Yes, Shraddha saying one example. I could not write neat when I was child. Okay, yes. That's true, Shraddha. Or you can make one or two examples, because we are wasting a lot of, not wasting, but we are spending a lot of time in examples. So that's why I did
Sir,
not ask you people. Yes, Sayush.
sir, गेटच्या ऐवजी I could have got more marks in the exam.
You're not audible clearly to me.
गेट गेट आहे ना, I could get more marks.
Huh.
त्याच्याऐवजी I could have got more marks in the last exam, sir.
Yes, that will be okay. Huh? I could have got. So that is also right, and I could get, that is also okay. So there, when you are going to use I could have got, so it shows a long past. Simple. I could have got. That is right. What you just told, Sayush, that is right. But you can say like this also. Okay. So with these two uses, now we will think next use, and now people have to remember or think. Already I have told about both of these uses. They are in past. So ability, it is in past. Possibility, it is also past. But now for permission, this permission is not in the past. You can use this for present. Okay, and this permission is polite permission. Okay, so polite, if instead of saying can we go home now and could we go home now, there is difference. Okay, so can is not that much polite, could is more polite. जर जास्त नम्रपणे एखाद्याला परमिशन किंवा रिक्वेस्ट करायची असेल, परमिशन घ्यायची असेल, तर instead of saying can, always I will suggest use could. Okay, so when you say could you go home now, so here asking permission, and this is more polite permission. Okay, instead of saying can. अँड दिस इज नॉट इन पास्ट. रिमेंबर, म्हणजे मी जसं सुरुवातीला सांगितलं की कुड इज पास्ट ऑफ कॅन, बट इन दिस एक्झाम्पल कुड कॅन बी यूज इन प्रेझेंट ऑल्सो. So here you're talking about now. So now it is in present. So the people can use ability and possibility in past, but permission and request can be in present. Even suggestion is in present. Okay. So you just remember about this past and present. Then request you can make. Again, request is more polite. So when you say, can you lend me this book? Try to understand difference between can and could. So when you say, can you lend me this book? This is request, but not polite request. And when you say, could you lend me this book? It is request, but it is polite request. You are becoming, you're using language courteously, politely, with the help of such words. So you can make, could you lend me this book? So this is the request. This is not ability, or this is not possibility here. So you people just make a few examples in this format. You can make permission or request. Both will work. Could you go home now? Yes, exactly. Snehal, you are uh, sending nice examples. Could you wait for a few minutes? Yes. So this is request. Could I write this? So this is permission. Yes, Sakshi. Could you give me your notes? Yes. This is a request. Polite request. Could you give me that book? Yes. Could you help me? Yes, Prajakta. So I hope that if you understand can, you understand could. And the difference between can and could, for in case of ability and possibility, you people are going to refer to the past. And for permission and request, you are going to refer to the polite request, polite permission. So could you give me a glass of water? Yes, exactly. Praveen, you can say like this. Could you drive a car for me? Yes, that is also. Could I open the window? That will be again you are going to offer in here, Aniket? Okay, could you please help me? Yes, you can say. Akanksha, you can say, could you please help me? That will be again polite request. So let's go to the next use, and that is suggestion. So we can make suggestion with should also. We can make suggestion with could also. So how we can make suggestion? We can say, I could help you with English. So in fact, what is this? So you know English better, you know English well, and there is someone who does not know. So in that case, what you are going to do? You are going to suggest. So if you need my help, I will help you. So what is this? This is suggestion. So how you can say this? You can say this by I could help you with English. Okay. So this way you can suggest someone. Maybe one more example I would like to give. He could visit the post office. So suppose that right now you have some work with post office and you're not able to go to the post office, but there is someone who is going to come from on that way. So that time you can suggest he could visit the post office because post office is on his way, on the way. So that's why that could be a suggestion. He could visit the post office while coming to the job, while coming to the office, something like this. Yes, Ganesh Sonar, is there anything? Roll number 64. Yes, Rutuj, you can say, I could make a cup of coffee for you. So that will be again a kind of offer and suggestion.
I could work with you.
I could work with you. Okay. Yes. So my voice is breaking. Is it so? For everyone, just let me know. My sound is not clear. My voice is not clear.
No, sir, it's clear.
It's clear. So maybe if someone is getting my sound breaking, so maybe you have network issue. Just check your connection. Vaishnavi, just check your connection. So in that case, you will get it clear. And last one, you people, to pass exam, you could study hard. Praveen, okay, you can select this. But in fact, it will go in the past, Praveen. To pass exam, you could study hard because this is possibility. In fact, okay. Okay. So last is conditional use of can. So now pay attention. It goes in the past. So let's try to understand this condition of can. So I could visit many places if I had more money. So here it is similar to ability. How it is similar to ability? मी भेटू शकलो असतो. I could visit many places. अनेक प्लेसेसला मी भेट देऊ शकलो असतो. कधी? इफ आय हॅड मोर मनी. जर माझ्याकडे जास्त पैसे असते तर. पण रियालिटी काय, माझ्याकडे जास्त पैसे आहेत का? नो. म्हणजे मी जास्त प्लेसेसला व्हिजिट केलेला आहे का? नो. बट इट इज इन पास्ट. कंडिशनल ऑफ कॅन. आय कुड व्हिजिट मेनी प्लेसेस इफ आय हॅड मोर मनी. Okay. So maybe I will give one more example of similar type. You can say, so similar type of example, I could get more marks if I had studied more. So in fact, similar again, already I have discussed about the same example. की मला जास्त मार्क्स मिळू शकले असते. कधी मिळू शकले असते? जर मी जास्त अभ्यास केला असता तर. पण मी जास्त अभ्यास केला का? नाही. आणि मला जास्त मार्क्स मिळाले का? नाही. सो आय गॉट लेस मार्क्स. येस श्रद्धा, आय कुड many marks. Instead of saying I could many marks, you have to say I could get many marks in the exam when I study more. So here you need to just have some correlation with combination of tenses, Shraddha. I could get marks in the exam when. Instead of saying when, you have to say if. If. If shows condition, Shraddha. Okay. So you people can take screenshot of it if you need it, if you uh, want to make more examples. From given examples, you try to make similar examples. Okay, is it okay or should we need to discuss more?
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. So we will go to the next slide with this. Next, we are going to talk about may. So may is also modal verb and it comes with a lot of uses. So first of all, we people are going to talk about request. You can make request with may, and this is polite request. Okay, so there are a number of ways to make request. Huh? You can use, you can make request with will. Will you give me a glass of water? Or you can just see that how we can just make request with, can you give me a glass of water? Or you can use this may also. So Harshvardhan, we are going to talk about next. When you are going to say may I come in, it will go to permission. So I'm going to come to this use afterwards. But first we are going to talk about use. Harshvardhan, pay attention. So when you are going to make request, you are going to say, may I have some water, please? So when you say, may I have some water, please? So what are you going to do here? You are going to make request. In fact, you are thirsty, you need water. So you are going to ask someone. Suppose that you are in a hotel, you are in a restaurant, or you are at maybe somewhere, and there you want to get some water from someone. So in that case, you are going to make polite request, formal request. May I have some water, please? Or maybe sometimes you might have heard about, may I have your attention, please? Have you heard this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in this case, what you're doing, you're just making requests. You're trying to attract attention of the people who are there for not paying attention to you, but you're going to announce something, you're going to inform something important, so that in that case you can make request something like this: may I have your attention, please? Or see here, one more example is given and it says that, may I use your book? So simply you can say like this, may I use your book? So you can use this maybe in more polite and more formal situations, remember. So maybe that recently you met with a friend and your friendship is not that much strong. In that case, you can say, may I use your book? Okay, and that will be a polite request. So may you give me a notes? So when you say may you give me a notes, instead of that we are making a request, you have to say, may I take your notes? Shraddha, may you give, instead of saying, you have to ask. That is, you are making a request. So you have to say, may I take your notes? Okay. And if you want to say with like this, you have to say with will you give me your notes? Something like this. Shraddha. Rutuj is saying, may I use your bike for some time? Okay, yes, you can say, may I use your bike? Yes, all right. Yes, Shruti can say, may I explain it? May I help you? Yes, Nehal. Yes, you can say Praveen, may I sit on this bench? You can, but that will go in permission, Praveen. When you ask, may I sit on this bench? May I go home now? May I call you back? But we're talking about request. So Richard may be coming to see us tomorrow, so that will be possibility. Pooja, may I use your pen? That is permission. You are asking. Shubham. So we are going to come to this permission now, but we're talking about request, and I hope that it made you clear. So don't get confused between permission and request. So when you are asking for permission and we are making, so all you people are sending examples of permission, all right? So may smoke in here. So if you want to smoke, and if it is prohibited place or you don't know whether it is prohibited or not, so in that case you are taking permission from that person, may I smoke in here. Or you can just see students may travel for free. So travel for free means that you can travel free. And somebody right now just said, Aniket, may I use your phone? This is permission. And while entering into the class or into office, you are going to ask, may I come in, sir? May I come in, madam? Okay. So this is going to be permission. And this is polite permission. This is formal permission. Okay. So many examples are there. May I borrow your car tonight? Yes, Abhishek. May I use your mobile internet? Yes, Sakshi. May I go to college today? May I come with you? Yes, Ronald. Okay. So with this, we'll go to the next use, and next use is about prohibition. So prohibition, something that is prohibited, something that is not allowed, something that is maybe permission denied. In that case, it is prohibition. मनाई केलेली असणे, एखादी गोष्ट करण्यास अलाव नसणे. Okay. So say you may not smoke in my house. So usually it is with not, may not. Okay, so when it is prohibition, so that time it is with may not. You may not step on the grass. So step on the grass, don't put your step on the grass. So somebody, he may get good marks, that will go for wish. Last point we are, last use people are going to discuss about it. We say, may God bless you, may his soul rest in peace. So that will go into the wish. So prohibition, you may not copy your answer. Okay, you may not get a glass of water. Okay, yes, I mean that you'll not get, simply you'll not get water. You may not stay here. Yes, Shreya, you can say you may not stay here. Yes, Praveen, you may not sit here. It is reserved seat. Okay. You can say you may not enter the garden. It means that this is prohibited. She may not drive my vehicle. Yes. She may not come back here again. Okay, Sneha. So roll number 14. Have you joined earlier class? You're sending your attendance right now. I have not seen you earlier. Roll number 14. Muslim. Is it audible? You may not require this document. You may not parking in this area. Okay, so you may not park here. vehicle here. We may not go for trip. You may not be eligible for exam. Yes, Dinesh. Okay, so many examples. You may not sit here without my permission. You may not drive bike without helmet. Yes, Praveen, all right. So now pay attention to the next point, and that is going to be possibility. Okay, so possibility, something is going to happen. Something may happen. काहीतरी घडू शकतं. So in that case, you are going to express it with the help of may. शक्यता दर्शवायची. So let's think how we can just express possibility with the help of may. So try to pay attention for the given example. It says, it may snow tomorrow. So when it is, it may snow tomorrow. Oh, simple. Another example I will give. It may rain today. If I say, it may rain today, आज पाऊस पडण्याची शक्यता आहे. Something like this. Or it may snow tomorrow. He may have forgotten about the party. So here also you people are going to think that may have forgotten. That's possibility. तो विसरला असू शकतो. So now people just saying few examples of possibility. Something like this. I can send one example in chat box. I have said he may come today. तो आज येऊ शकतो. Yes, Venkatesh, you have unmuted. Do you want to tell me an example? It may be wrong. Yes, Sakshi, it is right. It may be wrong. Make few examples which express possibility with may. She may have afraid of that. You can say, Surya, you can say you may be afraid of that instead of saying have. They may not get good marks. Yes, he may become pass or fail. We don't say become pass or fail, Rohit. We say he may pass or fail simply. No need to use become. Again, I'm not audible. Shruti, is it like this? My voice is not audible. Let me clear. आवाज येतोय का माझा सर्वांना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shruti, you just
Yes, sir.
said from your end. He may leave immediately. So, Snehal, it is not possibility. He may leave immediately. This is not possibility. Sentence is right, but meaning is not right. We're talking about possibility. He may plant a tree, that will be okay. Shraddha, just saying they may happy, you have to say they may be happy. One more additional verb we need here. They may be happy. Okay. Simply, there are so many examples you can. We may be late. We may go for trip tomorrow. Yes, you can say like this, Shraddha. Okay. So with this now, we people are going to discuss last use, and last one is wish. When you are going to wish someone, so that time you can use may. You can begin your sentence with may, and it is wish, good wish. May the new year bring you joy. So what is this? This is a good wish. May the force be with you. This is also new wish. And now people say me wishes, your wishes. On the occasion of birthday, on the occasion of lot of occasions, we wish people. So send me some wishes. May God bless you. Yes. Puja, that will be possibility. Now we are talking about wish. You're right, Puja. I will pass chemistry exam. And remember, when you are going to express wish, at the end, you people have to use exclamatory mark. For example, I have sent one example. So this went only to Dinesh. So instead of that, I will send everyone. May you live long. In that case, at the end, there is exclamatory mark. So Sakshi, may your dreams come true. May your future becomes bright. Okay. So many wish you can express. May you pass the exam. May you become happy. May your birthday bring you everything you wish for. Yes, exactly. Aniket, you can say. So many wishes you people can express, and with that, again, some in case of some sad news also people wish with me. May you uh, lie in peace if somebody's died. Okay, so on that occasion, you people can express such words. May your soul rest in peace. May your soul lie in peace. Something like this. Okay, so from that, you people just try to find more examples and do it. So I hope that may will help you to use and try to use this in your communication. No, don't just try to understand. We are not just trying to improve our knowledge of English. So may is modal verb, may is used for request, permission, prohibition. We all know everything. But in fact, when we people talk, we people don't use may, then it will be of no use. So when you people are going to use language, use English, and that time you people try to use it. So practice requires. So a lot of things are there that you people can do for improving your English. English is a must language for all of we people if you are looking for a good job career ahead. So with this, I think I would like to give a message that don't just underestimate, don't just live as it is, though it may not be a subject, though you may not have exam for English, or there might be so many reasons, but your future depends entirely upon your knowledge of English, your ability to express yourself in English. If you're not going to read, write, listen, speak English, there'll be difficulties that you have to face in future. Somehow you will manage them, but why not from right now? We people should prepare for ourselves. Maybe after 2 3 years, you people will get a bright future. Okay, so for that, you people prepare accordingly. Other saying, may the new job bring you happy life. Okay, all right. So with this, now I will just confirm attendance and absent numbers. So let me know if roll number 14, are you there? Roll number 32, absent. 38, absent. 43, absent. 64, absent. 64 is there. Okay, so with this, now I'm going to give you people a quiz. So this quiz is based on simple correct spelling of words. So will it be okay to have a quiz right now? Because I don't want to continue next. We people will continue remaining model verbs in the next class. So I will stop sharing the screen now. And you people just stay connected just for 1 minute, and I will share the link. So this quiz is simply about correct spelling of words. So people have to uh, read words which are given to you. I think that you people uh, will enjoy this quiz. Have you done before any quiz? याच्या अगोदर आपण एखादं क्विज घेतलं होतं का?
No, sir.
Okay, so how you people are going to play this quiz? This quiz I'm going to share the link. So link will be in chat box. So all you people check chat box that there is a link. All you people have to simply click on that link and enter your name and join the quiz. I will give you people 1 to 2 minutes for joining. And once you have joined, I'm going to start it. Have you received a link?
Yes, sir.
Click. So Ruturaj joined. Many people started joining. So I will wait for just 1 or 2 minutes only. If anybody is facing difficulty, you just let me know. There are 60 students who have joined the class, and for quiz only 41 students. What about others? Okay, so all you people just be ready. Follow instructions. First of all, you people, when you people will get the question. So question is something like choose the correctly spelled word. So no need to read question again. So you have to see only words and just click the word which is correctly spelled and go for next. Okay, so shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Huh. Okay, so those who are joined, just be ready, and those who have not joined so far, you can join within time also. So after this, I'm going to end this meeting, but quiz will go on. Okay, I have taken attendance also, so I will end this meeting within maybe 5 minutes. But quiz will go on. You people complete the quiz, and then we people will stop. All you people complete the quiz, then we people are going to stop. You can join next class, or maybe there is lunch break. You can go for lunch break. Okay. So quiz started. All you people just attempt it.